Hey guys, Tanya here, and today I'm going to teach you two phrasal verbs: to talk someone into something and to talk someone out of something.
Johnny wanted to go after Volchuk again, but I talked him out of it.
So to talk someone out of something means to convince someone not to do something.
I'm glad you talked me into this. We work so hard, sometimes it's nice to goof off and do something silly.
And to talk someone into something is the opposite. It means to convince someone to do something. For example, I wanted to quit my job, but then I talked myself out of it. So what does it mean? So I wanted to quit my job, but then I convinced myself not to quit my job. Okay, so I talked myself out of it. And another example, I didn't want to go camping, but my husband talked me into it. So I didn't want to go camping, but my husband convinced me to go camping with him, right? So he talked me into it. So eventually I went camping. So can you think of a situation when you talk someone into doing something or talk someone out of something? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.